Our immune systems need to function at their peak, so they can protect us from disease and foreign intruders. Our diets of course have a great impact on our immune system health. Some foods are packed with nutrients that help immune system functions, whereas others can actually decrease its power to fight back in case we get ill. Stay tuned, cause in this video, we are going to mention the top 8 ways to boost your system naturally. Number 1, eat antioxidant foods. Antioxidants are nutrients that help control and repair the damage of free radicals in our bodies. These could be vitamins like A, C, and D, as well as minerals like zinc, selenium and potassium. Some good antioxidant food sources to take are berries, broccoli, cauliflower, nuts, seeds, citrus fruit, pineapples, spinach, tomatoes, peppers, seafood and corn. Number 2, take more zinc. Zinc is a mineral that acts as an enzyme factor in white blood cells. When there is a deficiency of zinc in your system, your immune system will tend to become weaker. Some good food sources of zinc are meat, fish, and dairy products. You can also take a zinc supplement, but do so under the supervision of your doctor. Number 3, sleep adequately. When you don't sleep enough, your system doesn't release enough hormones to help regenerate your system, and your immune system's function is weakened. Number 4, get yourself out in the sun. Sun can be damaging for your skin if you don't protect yourself, but mild sun exposure helps release vitamin D in your body, which is quite beneficial for your immune system, and puts you in a great mood as well. Just 15 minutes are enough to get a healthy dose of sun and reap its benefits. Number 5, eat more garlic. Yes, eating garlic will make your breath smell, but you'll be surprised to learn that it has multiple benefits for your health. This flavorful and robust herb can both boost your immune system and clear circulatory issues for better heart health, according to a study conducted at the University of Maryland Medical Center. Number 6, quit smoking. You've heard it a million times before and you'll hear it again. Smoking is bad for you, period. It wreaks havoc to your internal organs and weakens your immune system, because it blocks sufficient oxygen from being delivered to your body cells. Additionally, it contains carcinogenic substances, which dramatically raise risk of developing cancer, and make your immune system too weak to react. Number 7, control your alcohol intake. Alcohol is another harmful substance you should avoid, because once it enters your system, it causes all sorts of harmful chemical reactions, and even kills your white cells, the cells responsible for fighting illness and infections. Not only that, it interferes with the absorption of vitamins and minerals necessary for a healthy white cell count. Number 8, laugh with your heart. They say laughter is the best medicine, and there is a point to that. It beats stress, keeps your heart racing, and strengthens the energy of your immune system, so it can fight back illnesses more effectively. So don't forget to laugh, and spread laughter. It's contagious. And if you are looking for a natural weight loss solution, I recommended you click the link in the description, www.relthies.co. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.